In part 4 of this lecture, we are going to learn about the role that mentoring and coaching can play in employee development. Mentoring occurs when a more experienced, high-performing employee called the mentor trains a less experienced employee called the protégé. There are several variations of mentoring. In peer mentoring or group mentoring, the mentor is paired with a handful of protégés, say 4 to 6, and the protégés learn from the mentor, they learn from one another. In reverse mentoring relationships, the protégé teaches the mentor. Mentoring relationships can develop informally as employees interact naturally in the work environment. Two people who share an interest may spark up a conversation and end up developing an informal mentoring relationship. Some companies create more formal mentoring relationships through structured activities and schedules. Mentoring can help socialize new hires, develop managers and leaders, and provide opportunities for employees at all levels of the organization and from all backgrounds. Let's review some of the specific benefits enjoyed by protégés. Their mentors provide career support by advocating for them, by sponsoring them, by providing stretch assignments, and by exposing them to valuable experiences and to other people in the organization. Mentors also provide psychological support by modeling desirable behaviors, by showing acceptance of the protégés, and by giving them an opportunity to discuss their concerns and ask questions about some of the challenges that they may be facing. Because the mentoring relationship exists over an extended period of time, protégés have the time to develop real skills, real habits, and behavioral patterns that will help them succeed on the job. As a result, protégés tend to be promoted faster, earn higher salaries, and enjoy greater social influence within their organizations than their peers who did not participate in a mentoring relationship. Many mentors get something out of the mentoring relationship as well. It can help them develop their own interpersonal skills, and they may experience an increase in self esteem and even self efficacy as a result of helping someone else do their job better. Plus, mentors may learn something from their protégés or from the process of teaching their protégés something. As you can see, mentoring programs provide a number of benefits for the protégés, the mentors, and the organization as a whole. Coaching is related to mentoring. Coaches work directly with employees to help them improve their performance. They can be peers, managers, or even external coaches hired to work with top leaders. They can help employees by providing plenty of constructive, performance-related feedback, by providing resources, and by motivating them to drive the process forward. So, what is the difference between mentoring and coaching? Mentors can be coaches, but not all coaches are mentors. Think of it like this. Coaching is a specific tool that mentors use to help employees improve, to get better. Some managers hesitate to participate in coaching because they're afraid their employees will think they are being too critical of them. This is why it's important for organizations to make sure that coaches are trained and that they understand how to deliver effective feedback. Whether we implement a mentoring program or a coaching program or both, there are several strategies that we can use to ensure these programs provide a positive return. First, it is generally acceptable for participation to be voluntary. Mandatory participation can actually stunt the growth of interpersonal relationships. It feels too forced for many people. Second, make sure that pairs are carefully matched. Use assessments to collect enough data about all applicants to the mentoring program. Third, choose mentors and coaches who have experience with these processes and who have shown to be successful in the past. Make sure everyone, the mentors, the protégés, even the administrators of the mentoring program, make sure that everyone understands their role in the process and understands everyone else's expectations of them. And finally, determine desired outcomes like retention and job performance, and evaluate each mentoring cohort to make sure that the program is doing what it was intended to do: develop employees.